Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. How are you guys? Are you guys burning up? Okay, so it is, what is it? The lazy days of summer? Is it the dog days of summer? I don't know, but it's summertime. Listen, it's like 100 degrees here, so we keep the air conditioning cranked down. So we freeze in the house, but just as soon as we go outside, let's get back in the house. I'd rather be cold than hot. I guess that's just a preference because I feel like I can always wear long sleeves or get a blanket. But what are you going to do when you're outside? Just find shade and still roast your what's off. So yeah, it's summer. It is smack dab in the middle of summer. We're in the middle of the week. Happy hump day, and I feel like singing summer breeze makes me feel fine. Whew. I don't know, the 70s guys, what are those two dudes thinking when they wrote that song? Like, doesn't it sound like a feminine hygiene product? Summer breeze makes me feel, it better make me feel fine, or I'm gonna have to go back and get some monostatin yogurt. Ew. Can I tell y'all a really nasty thing that I did? And this was a complete lie. I just did this for the laugh factor, so I will warn you that it is a little risque. Okay, so I think y'all know where I'm going with this, but when I was first married, I had something going on. I used to get a UTI quite frequently, and now they're back. Thank God for aging, right? But anyway, I used to get them quite frequently. And of course, that called for antibiotics, which called for something else. That doesn't happen, knock on wood, later in life. That's one of the joys of getting older. But back then when I was young. So anyhow, went to my OB, who I loved, by the way. He just retired this year. But anyway, I got the feeling he liked big girls. I asked him when he retired, I was like, are you going to miss me? He was like, yeah, I'll miss you. I went, no, me. All up in my taters. He was like, no. Anyhow, thanks for being frank, doctor. So I went to him. I had the antibiotics for a round. Of course, I had some problems. It was time for it. I think they didn't. I'm allergic to the pill, and I think they didn't give me that back then anyway. That was, I don't know if that was before then. I don't even know why. But anyway, it was the cream, right? So then I had to follow up, make sure everything was okay. I don't know. So when I went back, my OB, who was, we're friendly, chummy, it's fine. He knows I'm crazy. But of course he said, so how was the cream? And I was like, it's fine. But my husband said it tasted horrible. Guys, that really wasn't true, but he never did even cry. He was just like, okay. I can't believe, look at my face, how red. I can't believe I even told y'all that I told him that. But anyway, I'll do anything for a laugh. I think you all know, right? Okay, so on to today's topic, which is MCM collection. My MCM collection, however tiny that it is, I've added a piece to that. I bought this when Saks had a huge sale. I can't even remember how I found out about this. I think someone told me. I can't remember, but it was back in early July. Anyhow, I've been sitting on this thing and sitting on this thing. I was going to show you all of my MCM collection, and we're not going to be here that long, so moving right along. As you all know, I keep this one from Fashion File. I bought this on a whim one night. So I didn't even realize it. I'd had it on my favorites. Remember that story? And I went to look at it. I was looking at my favorites, and it said sold. And I was like, oh, so brokenhearted. And then I realized it was sold to me. What? So, yeah, I bought this. And then the husband was really like, why did you send that back? You don't need... And I have not even taken the plastic off yet because I've had no occasion to carry this. I think maybe I did carry it, but I left the plastic on. Maybe not though, the tag. I thought I did maybe carry it to work just to show people one day. I cannot remember, but it's been a minute. Because right after I bought this, I guess we shut down. Everything shut down, right? But I love the color of this. This just grabbed me for some reason. And is it called Visitos? Visitas? Oh, I don't know. I thought we were already talking about my Visitas. But so anyhow, that's the biggest and best thing that I have in the old MCM collection. I would love to have a pair of sneakers, and I'm kicking myself. Back when I bought this stuff, all the pink stuff, they had the sneakers, and the sneakers went like a little over half. They were like $200, and I could have totally bought those sneakers, and I didn't. I'm kicking myself. Of course, they're sold out, and you can buy them in Bloomingdale's, but they're like $3.95. So that just hurts my heart. I'm not doing that. Hell no. So, girl, y'all know my love for tiny backpacks and tiny bags. So, I got this little thing which has a little strap inside that you can wear it as a belt. I'd have to link several things to it. But, yeah, it's beautiful. I love this. And that's what the sneakers were, too. This pink, this light pink with that little bit of gray. I love this. And I really would love to have a bag in this. I haven't gotten one yet. As you know, I'm trying to slow down just a tinch. But at the same time, I got that, and I've not even cut the tag, so I've not even used this yet or hung it off on my bag or anything. I've just not done anything with this yet, but I'm hopefully going to. But this one comes with the strap too. Or is this the strap that came with the other one? Gosh, I'm losing my mind. Let me see. Yeah, it's the actual strap that came with this. I just shoved it in there. Does that make sense? Yeah. Boy, it's a good thing I unzipped this because I would have been looking everywhere for that strap, because this is a cute little crossbody moment. Comes up to my boobs, but hey, I'll try it. She'll try anything. So anyway, what got me on the pink and gray train was this deal, this little card holder that is so cute and such. It feels so soft. The glazing is perfect on this. But anyway, Autumn had posted way back in the day. She posted several months ago that Dillard's was having this huge sale. And thankfully she did, because I got this extra cheap and I was glad to get it. And I think this was what kicked off the tiny pink stuff, was this. So I should have showed this one. Should have showed you this one first. But you know me, I'm bass backwards around here. Yeah, so that little deal. I take this everywhere too. I don't have a Louis Vuitton card holder or anything yet, but I would probably consider that reverse one. It's cute. But I love this, and I do take it everywhere. My main girl, she's the one. Love it. One more thing before I unbox my new item that I have from MCM. And it is, I don't think this is authorized by them. I found it on eBay. So I think it was like $12. But it is my new face mask with the MCM logo on it. It's kind of plasticky on this outside, so I don't know how breathable it will be. So I have to try this one out and get back to you on that. I bought one from Coach. I wish I had it up here, but I keep it in the car. I bought one from Coach that really is my favorite. I bought a few. I think I've shown you a couple over the past few months, but that one is like totally breathable and way easy to wear. So I like wearing that. And it's got the one from Coach has that expandable 3, and so it pops open wider when you wear it. But this one, I don't know how it's going to do yet because, let's see. I don't know, guys. Look. I don't know about this one. I'll have to try it and see, but look, it fogs me up. I kind of like it to sort of, dent in a little bit, but You never know until you buy them. You just never know. So $12 wasted. On to the finale, girl. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. As I said, I bought this at Saks. And it wasn't Saks off 5th. It was actually Saks. Was it? Would it say? I can't remember now, but I got such a good deal on it, so it might have been Saks off 5th or whatever. I don't know. I really cannot remember. And I don't even remember how I found out. And I don't know why I would have gone there. Somebody must have sent me something. Get on there. They've got a sale. Because I wouldn't have done it otherwise. But, oh, girl. This was like half price. And I've been seeing these. What's funny is I'd seen this actual pattern and the bag on Fashion File for retail, what it was brand new without a sale on it. And it was pre-loved, and I was like, I had it on my favorites and everything, and it got gone one day, and I was like, oh, that's sad. And then somebody told me about this deal, and I went on there, and yes, girl, it is the MCM. I think this is last year's, if I'm being honest. I think that's why this was as cheap as it was. But it's a little vanity case purse that I don't know. I loved the different colors in it. It's super soft. This is the first time I'm seeing it too because I didn't unwrap it. But yeah, it comes up and it's got a little, okay, I like that. It does have the dust bag. Let's see without the stuffing. Ooh, it's super cute. It's got all the little accoutrement, as you know. Oh, girl, I love it. If you can see inside, it's just got the little blue MCM logo in there. Ooh, it's kind of like suede-ish. Like a little bit, yeah, it's suede inside. It's got a little pocket for stuff. It's totally cute. I don't know how much I'm going to fit in there, but here's what I've noticed. On the tiny bags, I have noticed that I am forevermore, I've got stuff behind me, don't I? I recorded this whole video with crap behind me. I love the tiny bag situation. So here's what I do. I will take this deal into a store and I'll cram a little tiny bag in it, and that's what I'll take into the store, and all of my crap is in a great big bag in the car. That's kind of weird, but I don't know, I like having all my things. When I'm running in a store, I want something simple and tiny that I can just crossbody or shoulder and run in and do what I gotta do and back out. So this will be perfect for this. Ooh, I'm having some like Dunlop, my belly's Dunlopped over my belt today, so I probably won't show you any mod shots because I'm sitting here looking at myself like, ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-doom. Yeah, tuba's playing. So anyway, oh my gosh, I love this. So yeah, I think this was last season. Oh, I don't care. I really don't. Girl, I love it. It is actually softer. It's softer than the backpack, and it's actually got this is more grainy. It looks like it, but it's so freaking soft. I like the top's got green, different shades of green. We're going red to orange down here. Oh man, and the bottom's just leather. Wow. Even if I just sat this on my vanity and put stuff in it, I'd be cool with that because I got such a great deal on it. I think I got it like half price. So, yes, girl, yes, girl, yes. Ooh, she nice. Let's see how the thing would go on there. It's kind of like, what's going on? Okay. I'm feeling that. All right. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget, this Saturday coming up, we are going to do, me and Monty Bell Miss Maudie of Snow77707. We're going to do a sneaker collaboration video on our luxury sneakers. So definitely watch both of our channels on Saturday for our videos. It's going to be amazing. I've bought some stuff, but it's been going on 8 or 9 months. I've been buying these sneakers, so I just need to show you all. I haven't showed you any of them, but we will coming up Saturday. And listen, y'all have a great rest of the week. Try to get through it as best you can. Stay in this air conditioning, honey. And I will see you back here on Saturday. And if y'all see my husband, no, don't tell him nothing. Bye. What?
Did you buy another damn pocketbook?
No.
Come on.
No, babe. I didn't buy anything. Not today. No.